In this video, I am going to talk about another free certification courses on Python for machine learning. This course is offered by Greatlearning. It is the free certification course. The rating of this course is 4.41. It is the beginner level course. If you are interested in machine learning, then you can do this course. Let's see what skills this course will cover. NumPy and Pandas. And here you can see the course syllabus. Introduction to NumPy, joining NumPy arrays, NumPy interaction and difference. So you can go through the course syllabus from there. And after passing in the course, then you will get your free certificate that you can use in your LinkedIn profile, your resume, and other documents. It is the 1 hour course and there will have one quiz. If you pass in the quiz, then you'll get your free certificate from these courses. And here you can see the number of students who enrolled these courses. And it is 1,17,340 students already enrolled in these courses. So you can enroll this course too to enhance your skill. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click over there, enroll for free. Then you need to sign up with Google to enroll these courses. So you will get the link of these courses in the video description. Check it over there.